Hello, today we will do drawing and painting turtle with watercolor. For the first, we will make the shell, skew of the turtle and draw head, draw neck. After that, I draw legs and then I continue to draw starfish, more coral, more seaweed, and then I draw shell for the bottom of turtle, mop brush, rigger brush, and flat brush. For color, I use pale orange, viridian, orange, yellow, brown, yellow orchid, Prussian blue, white, red, purple, and black. I use yellow orchid to make dark area in legs and skew and shells. And I make detail head, legs use brown, reddish brown, and I use brown to all head, in legs. I use brown for shells and scale, and then I use mix with more black to make a shadow of the squid and scale. I paint more shadow and more uh, dark area for the legs, for the shell and skew, and for the head, and for leg, for the down area to make effect dark and more detail. Use brown mixed with black, and then I use clear water to background sea, and then I mix with dark blue and light blue. For sand, I use clear water first, and then I use pale orange. I block all with pale orange, and then pale orange I mix with more black to make effect black area in sand. And then I mix, use dry brush. After that, I continue to uh, painting more coral, more seaweed, and make detail. Use red and white color, and then I use seaweed with green, dark green, and light green mixed with yellow. And then I continue to use uh, red purple mixed with yellow and white. and then I use red and orange. For the more seaweed, I use blue first and mix with dark green and light green. And for the behind leg seaweed, I use white with green, and I make more coral detail, use gray and black, and I mix with more green. For starfish, I use red, orange, and white and yellow to mix and make more dot. And I continued in to small starfish and shells. I make detail of shells, and then I make shadow from the turtle and more detail in the seaweed. Now I use rigger brush to make more detail, to make dark area inside uh, seaweed, and more detail on the coral, and more black area, make more um, sands for the detail of shells and starfish. And then after that I use this rigger brush, use black and brown with detail for the turtle. Okay, thank you to watch my video tutorial. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to update new tutorial video painting for me. Bali Fun Arts.